Yeah, guys, that is not cool. That is not fun.
Pretty cool though.
Are you happy with what you've done?
Yes. What a way to start a day, eh? So let's go. We're gonna get Mom. We're going on the road trip to the Gold Coast.
This car is taking control, so it tells Mahmoud when he's like going over the line on the road, and then it also like makes
the steering wheel, guys. Yeah. The steering wheel moves to keep me in lane.
We could just like sleep on the highway.
Like,
let's get on the road, man. Imam's finally here. Imam always vlogs us when we're on Instagram. We're gonna get arrested. We're gonna be like, we're gonna be like, arrest!
So my brother hasn't had nasi lemak in like 2 years, and I just came from Malaysia, so I have no issue with it. But I don't know why he made us drive all the way. Before we start going up the Gold Coast, he wants us to stop at this Papa Ridge to get some nasi lemak because it's the closest he can get to Malaysia to try it.
This is what I need.
We've just finished eating. We're heading out to the car. It's time to go to Central Coast. First location. Let's go.
We were driving down the highway and Ibrahim's like, Koala Park! So he saw Koala Park, he's like, make a U-turn! Koalas are all a part of the journey.
Yeah. We're going into a really dangerous part because these koalas are not the normal kind of nice koalas you see in the trees. These koalas are dangerous. Look, a koala bit that, a koala bit that, another koala threw another koala through that, and that's what happens here, okay? Koalas are nuts. They got boomerangs here.
Some of these kangaroos in the hand. We're gonna see how dangerous this is. Let's go, give it a go.
Dude, it's not dangerous for you.
We had to stop right now because it was just so amazing. We saw the sunset in front of the clouds and then we saw a rainbow. It was so beautiful, guys. It was too beautiful. Oh my god! Oh my god, you gotta record this! Oh my god! Ibrahim, of all the places you need a drone. Oh my god! You guys,
we're not getting that.
This is beautiful. Oh my god! Oh my god! The thing is that Ibrahim is a little too scared for the drone to go a little too far. I mean, rightfully so, it's a little far.
Good. Now that's how.
This is how I want to see the video. Like that. Yes.
Yes.
I want us to shoot it out.
This is what the room looks like. Check it out. Oh. We got this room for 100 Australian dollars for a queen size bed, a single bed, and a single bed, a kitchen, and like, ew, something I didn't want with the package. This is it for today. We have all the drinks here ready for tonight, some lemon juice, because that's what we're partying on. We're gonna edit some videos tonight, so that's the end of today. So tomorrow, the stuff is really gonna go down. We're going to the beach, we're getting our drone footage, we're getting everything done. It's gonna be